So now we are going to see about these questions. You listen here. 5t square plus 12t plus 7. So what is the question? You understand the question. First they are asking find the zeros. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 5t square plus 12t plus 7 and verify the zeros relationship between zeros and the coefficients. Okay. So how do you first of all you need to find the zeros. Step number 1. Zeros you need to find. Zeros. Then how do you find the zeros? We need to factorize them. So how can you factorize? So first number take multiply with last number. So 5 sevens are 35 plus or minus plus numbers. Then we need to find the factors of 35. So which factor we can use? 7 5s are 35, isn't it? Then if we add these factors, we must get what is that? 12 plus 12, isn't it? We should get plus 12. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So we can choose these factors. We can choose this factor. Understood or not? Okay. We choose it. Because when you multiply these factors, you will get plus 35, and when you add these factors, then you will get plus 12. So we can choose these factors. And next, the first number is what is here? 5. So take divide by 5. These factors take divide by 5. Okay. Then 5 you can cancel them, isn't it? Then which is value is 1. So now we can write the zeros. So what is a variable is given? T. T is a variable. So we need to find t values. So t is equal to what is that? 7 by 5 plus 7 by 5 here. Therefore we can write minus 7 by 5. Very simple. Then plus 1 is here. You can take minus 1. T is equal to minus 1. So t has two values. 2 zeros. Why? Because they are given us a quadratic equation, isn't it? Quadratic equation has 2 zeros. Cubic equation has 3 zeros. Okay. Now we need to verify them. Now how do you verify them? Relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. How can you verify them? Listen. So first of all, we know that two kinds of zeros there. What are that? Tell me, Malan sir. Sar, sambar, rasam, whatever you tell me.
Sir, alpha plus beta.
Alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Deepak, சொல்லு.
Alpha beta.
ஆமாடா, நீயே கேட்டுதான் சொல்லுங்க. Two kinds of zeros என்னடா?
Alpha and beta.
Sum of zeros, product of
Very good.
zeros.
So two kinds of zeros is what are the first sum of zeros? Sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros, isn't it? Sit. First we are going to verify them by using sum of the zeros. Okay. Listen, how can you verify them? Sum of the zeros and the coefficients. It is equal to coefficients. If it is both are equal, then we can verify it in sum of the zeros. Okay, sum of the zeros, what is that? Alpha plus beta. It is equal to coefficients. What is that? Alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. Isn't it? Then what is alpha? That we can take here. Alpha is equal to minus 7 by 5. Then alpha value is minus 7 by 5, and beta value is minus 1. And A, what is A? A is you take this quadratic equation. So coefficient of t squared value is A, 5. And B value is, what is a plus 12. And C value is plus 7. Now you can substitute all the values here. Alpha value is what is the minus 7 by 5 plus beta value is minus 1. Put the bracket, isn't it? Because the symbol is comes continuously. Then minus B. What is B value?
Plus
12. Divided by A value is what is that? 5. Understood or not? Tale aata. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 7 by 5. The plus with minus 1. It is equal to minus 12 by 5. So we need to take cross multiplication. Minus 7 minus 5 into 1, 5 divided by 5. Isn't it? This is equal to minus 12 by 5. Then minus 7 minus 5 minus 12 by 5. Isn't it? So minus 12 by 5 minus 12 by 5. So hence verified. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Pass.
Okay.
Okay. Is that so? Already some of the zeros we verified, isn't it? So next is product of the zeros. So product of the zeros. Zeros is equal to coefficients. So product of zeros, what is that? Alpha into beta, and is equal to
C by A.
C by A. Very good. So what is alpha value? You know that alpha value is what is that? Minus
7 by
5 into product of zeros. Beta value is
-1.
minus 1. It is equal to then C. What is C value? 7. Then A value is 5. You know that any numbers multiplied by 1, you will get same, isn't it? Then minus into minus plus 6. 7 by 5 into 1, 7 by 5. It is equal to 7 by 5. Hence verified. So that's all. Very simple. Okay.